Hey, crypto fam, it's your girl, Crypto Geek Girl, back to decode another big buzzword in the crypto world. Blockchain. You've heard it a million times. Blockchain this, blockchain that. But what actually is it? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain blockchain like a pro without sounding like you swallowed a tech dictionary. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice, just educational content to help you understand the tech behind crypto. Alright, let's geek out. Let's start simple. Imagine a digital notebook, one that everyone in the world can see, but no one can erase or secretly change. That's basically a blockchain, a shared digital record that keeps track of transactions or data in a super secure way. Every time someone makes a transaction, like sending Bitcoin to a friend, that action gets written down in this notebook. But here's the twist. Instead of one person controlling the notebook, like a bank, everyone in the network has a copy. So, if someone tries to cheat and write fake info, boom, everyone else's copy will expose them. That's why blockchain is called trustless. Because you don't need to trust anyone. The system itself keeps things honest. Let's break down the name. A block is just a bundle of transactions, kind of like a page in that digital notebook. When one page fills up with data, it's sealed, time-stamped, and linked to the next page. And those pages or blocks connect in a chain. Boom! Blockchain. Each new block depends on the one before it. That's what makes it so hard to tamper with. If you try to change one block, you'd have to change every single block after it. Imagine editing a single line in a 10,000-page Google Doc where everyone's watching. Yeah, good luck with that. That's the beauty of blockchain immutability, meaning once it's written, it stays forever. Okay, now that you've got the basic picture, let's zoom in a bit. Here's what happens step by step. Step 1. A transaction happens. Let's say Alice sends 1 Bitcoin to Bob. That transaction gets broadcast to the whole network. Step 2. The network checks it. Thousands of computers, called nodes, check if Alice actually has that Bitcoin and if the transaction is valid. Step 3. The transaction goes into a block. Once verified, it's grouped with other transactions waiting to be added to the chain. Step 4. The block gets sealed. Miners, in proof of work, or validators, in proof of stake, compete or take turns to confirm the block. Once confirmed, the block gets added to the chain, permanently, and boom. It's official. The transaction is recorded forever, visible to anyone. This process repeats over and over again. New blocks, new data, one continuous chain of truth. Okay, so you might be thinking cool tech, but why does it matter? Because for the first time ever, we have a way to transfer value or data without needing a middleman. No banks, no governments, no single person in charge. Just code, math, and consensus. That means fewer fees, less censorship, and more transparency. You can track where funds go, verify info yourself, and build trust through technology instead of people. That's why blockchain isn't just about crypto. It's being used for supply chains, health records, voting systems, even NFTs and digital identities. It's basically the internet of value, the next evolution of how humans exchange information and money. Here's the secret sauce. Cryptography. Every transaction, every block, is protected by super complex math, called hashing. A hash is like a digital fingerprint unique to every block. Change even one letter or number, and the fingerprint totally changes, making tampering obvious. Combine that with thousands of nodes watching the chain, and it becomes almost impossible to hack or rewrite history. That's why blockchain is considered one of the most secure data systems ever created. Not all blockchains are the same, though. Let's quickly go over the main types. Public blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, open to everyone. Anyone can join and verify transactions. Private blockchains, used by companies. Access is limited and controlled. Hybrid or consortium blockchains, a mix of both, used by industries like banking or healthcare where privacy and collaboration matter. So depending on the use case, different blockchains offer different balances of transparency, control, and security. And that, my friends, is blockchain explained simply. It's not magic, it's just brilliant design. Data grouped in blocks, linked securely in a chain, verified by everyone, controlled by no one. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment if you finally get blockchain, and share this video with your crypto-curious friends. And hey, If you want more bite-sized, brainy crypto breakdowns, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. I'm Crypto Geek Girl. Stay curious, stay geeky, and I'll see you in the next video.